So you probably have a dream of online business that looks like this. But in reality, it's more like late nights, constant interruptions, messages to respond to, lots of failures and exhaustion. But there is a solution. So today I am going to share with you 5 passive income streams that you could start in 2022 to get your time and your life back. Hi friends, welcome back to this channel. My goal is to help you build leverage into your online business so that you can create the time and the financial freedom that you desire. And in today's video, we're going to talk about 5 passive income streams that you can start right now in 2022 to make that dream a reality. So passive income stream number 1, real estate. Now, I know traditional real estate investing has been around for a long time, and you might be thinking, if you live anywhere like I do, I'm near Chicago and interest rates and real estate property values have skyrocketed this past year. So you may be wondering, well, where am I going to come up with a 20% down payment? Where am I going to come up with that type of income, Lindsay, to invest in real estate and create this passive income? So I've got to stretch your thinking today with another idea I have discovered called cash flow real estate. Let me ask you this question. If you're going to go on vacation with your spouse or your girlfriend, boyfriend, family members, would you rather stay in a traditional hotel or motel, or would it be more incredible to create a real experience staying in a tiny home or a yurt or a teepee or an Airstream trailer on a farm with chickens and goats and real life farmers? Well, if you're anything like most people, you're going to say experience. And this has been an incredible opportunity for investors over the past few years to buy real estate investments that they can create passive income cash flow from. So if you've seen these listings on Airbnb recently, then you're watching cash flow real estate in action. And what's so great about this is, one, the investment can be a lot lower. You can simply find a property and you can get an Airstream trailer, a yurt, a tiny house. You're not looking to spend the same amount that you would invest in traditional real estate. And the best part is that many of these investments can be recouped in year 1 or 2. So you can get all of your returns on your investment within a few years, and after that, each and every single year is simply passive income and return on your investment. Now, I am not the expert on this. It's something that we're considering for our family in 2022, so I wanted to go ahead and share it with you. If you want to learn more about this, then shout out to Rob Built YouTube channel. This is what it looks like. You'll want to go check it out after this video. He's an expert in this area, and you can learn all about how you can get started with cash flow real estate and listing those properties on Airbnb. Okay, Lindsay, so what if I still don't have that kind of money to invest, or I don't have a piece of property, or I'm just not interested in real estate at all? Then passive income stream number 2 is crypto. Now, you've probably heard of Bitcoin and maybe even Ethereum, but did you know there's over 13,000 other altcoins in the crypto space that you can invest in? So if you're over 40 like me, you might be watching this video and saying, crypto? Really, Lindsay? No, I don't know anything about this. This scares me. It's gotta be a scam. And I just want to share a couple statistics with you. So Bitcoin in March of 2020 was at $6,400 per Bitcoin. At the end of March 2022, Bitcoin is at $47,300 per Bitcoin. This is an increase of 663%. If I'm doing my math right. Anyways, it's a huge growth rate. I mean, I don't know about you, but what's your money earning at the bank? My US dollars are earning like, I don't know, 0.01%. It's not anything. In fact, if you really think about it, it's losing money because inflation is way higher than that. So in 2 years, you could have had a over 600% return on your investment in Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum, same thing. March 2020, Ethereum was at $100 per one Ethereum, and just at the end of March 2022, it's at $3,300 per Ethereum. That is a 3,200% increase. So, like I said, I'm kind of thinking that those increases are good value, and it's looking pretty passive at this point. So if you haven't invested in crypto before, you're gonna wanna make sure that you do some research on how to do it safely. Overall, Bitcoin and Ethereum are pretty safe bets at this point. They've stood the test of time. They've been around. You want to be careful when you're starting to look at the 13,000 other altcoins, because that's where you get into trouble, where there could be scams, there could be, false coins and rug pulls. So if you stick to the ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're likely to see a decent return on your investment over time. Now, you can purchase those on any of the major exchanges. They do have centralized exchanges in the US. Coinbase is one that I think is probably one of the simplest to use. I'll go ahead and I'll put a link below if you want to get started on Coinbase. And if you use that link, we'll both get $10 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up and buy your first crypto. Okay. So maybe crypto's not your thing, maybe you're not ready for that, maybe real estate seems like you need too much to invest in. My third passive income stream idea for you is email autoresponders. Now, if you're an online business owner, and you're probably an online business owner if you're watching this channel, then it's imperative that you start building a list. If you're not, you're gonna wanna head over to this video afterwards, Email Marketing for Beginners, How to Choose Your Email Autoresponder. But the beautiful thing about an email autoresponder is that typically it is free when you're first getting started. In fact, the one that I use, Aweber, my favorite, I'll put a link below if you want to check it out, is free for your first 500 subscribers. After that, however, there are paid plans. And once somebody builds their email list to 500 subscribers, they start emailing their list regularly, they're not likely to want to change email autoresponders. So let's say you take your link, your email autoresponder affiliate link, and you share it out with your audience and a whole bunch of people sign up. You can actually start recouping a passive income stream month after month after month, year after year after year, as those people are paying for their email autoresponders, just for you sharing a tool that every online business owner needs. Now, Aweber isn't the only one out there. You have Constant Contact, ConvertKit, GetResponse, Keep. But what I like about Aweber is that it's extremely affordable, extremely easy to use for the non-techie people, and they have a wonderful support team if you do ever run into problems or have questions. So, like I said, I'll put that link below if you want to go ahead and check it out, and it's free for your first 500 subscribers. Similar to sharing your affiliate link for an email autoresponder is passive income stream number 4, and that's selling on Amazon. Now, Amazon literally sells everything from A to Z. And in 2022, you can become a retailer on Amazon without ever having to create a single product of your own. You simply partner with brands, you buy things wholesale, and then you sell them retail on Amazon. Let me head over there and show you how you know that there are brands that are literally doing this right now. So here I am over on Amazon, and I just typed in an obscure product, dog enzymatic toothpaste. I have a dog, and so if you have a dog too, then you know that you're very concerned about making sure you're brushing their teeth and keeping them tartar free. So when you head over to Amazon and you look at this toothpaste, you scroll over, and on the right-hand side, you can see here that there are 5 other sellers on Amazon right now listing this product for $9.99. Now, what Amazon is going to do is they're going to rotate and choose who is going to get the sale each and every single time someone goes ahead and purchases this dog enzymatic toothpaste. So if you partner with brands that sell lots and lots and lots of products each and every single month, then you're going to have the opportunity to purchase those products wholesale and sell them retail while Amazon is doing all the marketing for you. You're going to have to do a little upfront work. So it's not 100% passive on the front end. You're going to need to learn, how you can get a Amazon seller's license. You're going to have to figure out how to reach out and partner with these brands. But I can guarantee you there are lots of videos on YouTube that talk about how you can become an Amazon retailer. And so this is a big opportunity for, once you get this set up, to create that passive income stream in your business. Now, if that sounds like too much work, and maybe you've already built an email list, you've already built an audience online, you may want to consider just becoming an Amazon associate and profiting from Amazon's affiliate marketing program. This is where you don't have to purchase a single item. So you're not the wholesaler, you're not the retailer, but what you're doing is you're leveraging the audience that you've built. If you have a lot of subscribers or viewers on YouTube, if you have a large email list, if you are somewhat of an influencer on Instagram or other social media accounts, you can simply talk about products that you use and you love and point back to your affiliate link. You might have seen some of my affiliate links in the description below. That's how this works. So if you want to do this with Amazon, because you have access to all these resources, you simply type in affiliateprogram.amazon.com, and it's as easy as 1, sign up, 2, recommend, and 3, earn. You can use all the products on Amazon, and you can earn a small commission passively every single time someone goes and purchases that product. Now, if you want to see how I do this in real life, then you're going to want to head over to my website and get on my newsletter, where I share all of my favorite products and my affiliate links with you, so that you can see if those are products for yourself and how I promote those products to my audience. So I'll go ahead and drop that link below if you do want to jump on to my newsletter. Now, like I said earlier, you could also do this on YouTube. So if you have a big YouTube following, then you could do reviews of certain products that you use and love. For instance, I could review this Yeti mic, and then I could point people to my Amazon affiliate link, and every time someone buys, I would earn a commission. I know starting a YouTube channel is not passive, but now that I've been doing this for a few years, I have videos I created years ago where people are clicking links and buying things from me, and I am earning passive income each and every single month from affiliate marketing programs. And this leads me to the last one, and one of my absolute favorite passive income streams, number 5, digital courses. I know. Creating a digital course when you first create it is not passive. You have to figure out what you're going to teach. You have to record the videos. You need somewhere to house the course. But once you have that done and created, you can launch and market that course over and over and over again and continue to earn passive income on it year after year. And before you tell me that you don't have anything that you can teach or create a digital course on, I want to show you Udemy. So over here on Udemy, let's just type some interesting search terms into the search bar. How about gardening? Well, if I type in gardening, there are 462 results for courses on gardening. So if you are a gardener, you could teach people the Beginner's Guide to Vegetable Gardening, Houseplants 101, Aquaponic Gardening, Hydroponic, Vegetable, Permaculture. Look at this, $84.99. Imagine if you simply put your knowledge and your skills to use, posted your course on a website like Udemy or Skillshare, and people are searching for your information and knowledge. And if you think, well, I'm not a gardener, how about knitting? What if you love to knit? Well, we got 126 classes on knitting. What about social media stories? Okay, I teach a lot about Facebook and Instagram stories and how to utilize those to build your brand online. And it looks like 6,493 other people want to teach that as well. So you can see that there's a wide variety that you can leverage over here. And if you don't want to create your course right now, you could also become part of their affiliate program. So Skillshare and Udemy both have an affiliate program. If you want to go check out those websites and see if they could be a good fit for you to create your first digital course and start your passive income, I'll go ahead and link those as well below. So don't let it hold you back. You have everything you need right now to start creating passive income in 2022. So as you can see, there are obviously lots of unique and fun ways that you can start earning passive income in 2022. And if you like businessy affiliate marketing type videos like this, then afterwards you're going to want to head to this playlist on affiliate marketing tips and strategies next. I'll see you in the next video.